Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. We're back with another flea market find. Today we have another one of these. Spider-Man Enter the Spider-Universe. I don't know what this is still. So if you guys, if you guys tell me before I post this video, it's pretty cool little. I think they're ornaments because I got this little metal piece here. I think you put a string on there and you hang them up. I think these are little ornaments for kids. Right there says Marvel there, little Spider-Man, pretty cool. I don't know what this is, guys, but if you guys have any idea, comment down below. Make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button, that bell for more notifications. I'll see you next time, Spider-Man. Bye-bye.